And now, the first thing we should do is make sure you have already done the app 超星 Superstar. You have already done it.好的，我们继续啊 ，Let's go on. From text 1 to text 4, we can see some sentence or phrase. Text 1. 我睡得也早，睡得也早啊，睡得也早。Sleep early too. Text 2. 吃得太少，吃得太少 eat too less. 吃得很好，吃得很好 eat well. 做得怎么样？做得怎么样？ How about 啊，做得怎么样？ How about you're done? 做得好，做得好 do well or cook well. 穿得太少，穿得太少 wear too little, wear too less. Last one. 住得远 lived farly, lived far. 住得近一点 lived closely. So from this phrase, we can see our today's grammar, complements of degree. Have a suggestion. What's your suggestion? Boma has already shown us the logo of 超星 Superstar. In China, it named 超星 it named 超星. Already have. Okay. Chesa, you can show your suggestion in our group, okay? Today we learn a very, very important grammar, complements of degree. A complement of degree describes the degree of something. The degree of something. The structural particle de is often used to introduce a complement of degree, which makes remarks on the extent. Degree or degree and action, or quality, or state of something has reached. State of something has reached. So the complement of degree can help us solve this 1, 2, 3, 4 these 4 situations. Let's see some examples. 他说得很好。他it means he. 他说得很好，很好 very well. 说 speak. He speaks very well. 他说得很好，很好 as a degree of his speaking. 我起得很早。I 起 get up 很早 very early. 我起得很早。I get up very early. 我睡得也早，也 also too also or too. 我睡得也早。I sleep early too. Or I also sleep early. So everybody please pay attention to this structure. Verb plus 的 plus adjective. We put 的 between the verb and the adjective. 说得很好，起得很早，睡得也早。Okay, if the verb takes an object, the verb takes an object, the object should be put before the verb. We put the object before the verb, or the verb be reduplicated. Before, this form just show us the single and easy form, verb plus the plus adjective, but this form show us the verb with object. 他说汉语说得很好。说汉语 it means speak Chinese. He speak Chinese very well. 说汉语说得很好。Here, if we saw the object, we can put the object before the verb. Actually, the object should be after the verb, right? But in this complement of degree, we should put the object before verb. And then we can reduplicate the verb. Or just put the object before verb. So the first verb, we can omit them. 他说汉语说得很好 is equal to 他汉语说得很好。He speaks Chinese very well. 我写汉字写得很好。我写汉字写得很好。写汉字 it means write Chinese characters. I write Chinese characters very well. 姐姐 the sister, the elder sister. 唱歌唱得不错。The elder sister sing a song perfectly. 姐姐唱歌唱得不错。The sister sing a song well. 不错 it means well or good. And in the negative form, the negative word should be put after the structural particle the. Negative word after the. We can see here. Please pay attention to the structure. Verb plus the plus 不 is a negative word. It means no or not. 不 Verb plus the plus 不 plus adjective. 他说的不好。他说的不好。He speaks not well. 我起得不早。我起得不早。I get up not early. 我住得不远。我住得不远。I lived not far. So this part is a negative form. And this part is a positive form. We just put 不 before adjective after the. And then let's see the negative form. The verb with object. 他说汉语说得不好。Here, we add the 不 before adjective after the. And here, for this verb, we can omit them. 他说汉语说得不好。He speaks Chinese not well. 我写汉字写得不好。I write Chinese characters not well. 姐姐唱歌唱得不太好，不太好。The elder sister sing a song not well. They all use 不 不 is a negative word. It means no or not. In the interrogative form, the is followed by the structure adjective 不 adjective, forming an affirmative negative sentence. So please pay attention to this structure. Verb plus the plus adjective 不 adjective. 好不好？好不好？好 good. 不好 not good. We put 好不好 together. It means good or not. 早不早？早不早？早 early. 不早 not early. 早不早 early or not. 远不远？远不远？远 far. 不远 not far. 远不远 far or not. 他说的好不好？他说的好不好？ He speaks good or not. 姐姐起得早不早？ The sister get up early or not. 你住得远不远？ You lived far or not? They all belong to the interrogative form. here. So for this part, the complements of degree. This part has positive form. Positive form, the verb takes an object. Negative form, the verb takes an object. The interrogative form. So everybody, please pay attention to the complement of degree. Next, be sentence. Be sentence. Last lesson, we have already learned be sentence, but that one belong to an easy part. And today we go on be sentence part 2. If a verb takes a complement of degree, how to use be sentence? Be can be put before the verb or the complement. Can be put before the verb or the complement. Let's see the examples. 他比我学得好。他比我学得好。Actually, here A, B, B, we still use the old structure, right? A, B, B. Here, later, at the end of sentence, we use the structure complement of degree. Verb plus the plus adjective. 学得好 study well. 跑得快 run fast. 做得好 do well. And this sentence in our text, it means cooked well. 他比我学得好。He studies better than me. 比我 than me. 姐姐比我跑得快。The elder sister run faster than me. 比我 than me. 我妻子 my wife 比我做得好。My wife cooked better than me. 比我。So we use the old structure A, B, B. A, B, B. A than B plus the complement of degree. And then the second one. A plus verb plus the, then B, BB plus adjective. The second part, actually, we add then be, then somebody. We put it in the middle of the complement of degree. 他学的比我好。They have the same meaning. He studied better than me. 他学的比我好。We just change the structure, put BB, then B, this part in the middle of complement of degree. 他姐姐比我跑得快。His sister, his elder sister ran faster than me. 我妻子 my wife 做得比我好。My wife cooked better than me. So the first form and the second form, they have same meaning. We just change the structure. Okay, until now, we have already finished Lesson 12 第12课。第12课。第12课，你穿的太少了。You wear too little. 你穿的太少了。Okay, everybody, for this lesson, 有问题吗？有问题吗？有问题吗？ Do you have any problems? 没有，没有。Okay, let's see last homework. Last homework. Please tell me which problem we need to explain. 我有问题。我的上网有。So, 沙海德 what's your problem? Before exam, I will send you the model text paper. You can do it by yourself and then I will explain them. 我没有问题啊，沙海德 said 我没有问题，但是我的上网有。You think your network has some issues, right, 沙海德？上网。Voice is robot-like. What's wrong with your network? How about others? In our final exam, just listening and reading part. The listening part and the reading part, like our homework. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. There are 4 parts in reading, and there are 3 parts in listening. It's okay here, Saha answered. No voice. So what's wrong with you, Achila? No voice. You learned a language, 2 language classes this morning, but there are no voice. Network is freezing. Because of too cold in your city? 沙海德 what's wrong with your network? Live streaming may be better. So if you feel your network is not good, maybe you can have tried the live streaming. Voice isn't fun in both ways. Like robot, right? Allowed you to write something. What did you want to write? Of course you can write, but I think this time we do the exam through the superstar system. Maybe cannot write down. Maybe cannot write down and the paper and the real paper. Okay, let's see the exam. Just now, Omeradi mentioned 33到35, right? 33到35. Let's see 33到35. About 33. 好吧，好吧。OK 啊，好吧，我这就去睡觉。我这就去睡觉。好吧，我这就去睡觉。I will go to sleep. I will go to sleep. 睡觉。We remove E firstly. We remove E first. And from A, B, C, D, and F, they all didn't mention about sleeping. A, 爸，我们明天去跑步吧。Dad, let's go to running. Let's go to run tomorrow. B, 你弟弟正在学习汉语吗？你弟弟正在学习汉语吗？ Is your younger brother learning Chinese now? C, 一个红的，一个白的，真漂亮。A red one, a white one. It's really beautiful. D, 你明天的课都准备好了吗？ Did you prepare the classes tomorrow? 别看电视了 F 别看电视了，明天还要考试呢。Please stop watching TV. You have exam tomorrow. And 33, 好吧，我就去睡觉。Okay, I will go to sleep. It means now, please stop doing something and then please go to sleep. We should choose F. Here we choose F. 别看电视了，明天还有考试呢。It means the speaker urge you go to have rest and then you will have a good spirit for tomorrow's test. So we choose F. 34, 对 Yes. 因为公司想让他明年去中国工作。对 it means yes. Because the company want to let him go to China for work. Tomorrow, next year, 明年 next year. 想让他 let him 去中国 go to China 去中国 and then for working. So just about B. 你弟弟正在学习汉语吗？汉语 is related to China. Why did you learn Chinese? In order to study in China or work in China. 35，没问题 ，No problem， 您放心吧。没问题 ，No problem。D， 你明天的课都准备好了吗？ Did you prepare for your classes? 没问题 ，No problem. It means you show the speaker you have already prepared our class. So 35 we choose D. D 34 just now we choose B. And then I want to explain the part 3 because I think lots of students are not right, not correct in this part. 26，这本书是我写的。This book was written by me. 希望能对你有帮助。I hope it could be helpful for you. The start sentence. 这本书还没写完。This book haven't finished. 这本书还没写完。We don't know whether this book has already finished or not. We just know this book was written from the speaker. So this one is wrong. 27，医生说 The doctor said 这个药要饭前吃。We should eat this medicine before meal. 吃药后2个小时别喝茶。吃药后after taking the medicine, please don't drink tea around 2 hours. The start sentence. 医生说多喝茶对身体好。The doctor said, 多喝茶 drink more water is good for health. We don't know because the doctor never mentioned whether drink too much tea is good or not. The doctor just said about how to eat the medicine before dinner and don't drink tea after eating the medicine around 2 hours. 28，别找了 ，Stop looking for it. 你的手机在桌子上呢。Your cell phone is on the table. 电脑旁边 beside the computer. We can see the 手机在桌子上呢。The cell phone is on the table. But meanwhile, the cell phone is beside the computer. So, we can draw a conclusion that 电脑也在桌子上。The computer is also on the table. 28 is right. 29，那件白色的衣服the subject 那件白色的衣服 the white clothes 我帮你洗了 was washed by me I help you wash that white clothes 在外面呢 Actually here point to 那件白色的衣服在外面呢 After I washed it, I put it outside. So 衣服在外面 is right. 30 very easy. 机场离这儿很远。机场 airport. The airport is far from here. 很远 very far from here. And let's start sentence. 机场离这儿非常远。Everybody, 很远 very far. 非常远 very far or extremely far. So this one is right. 很 and 非常 they all means very or extremely, but 非常 show us the deeper degree than 很。这是26到30。Okay, everybody, now it's time to finish our class. 我们下课。This time. But you made mistakes in part 2 and part 4.